Gonna try to fix a broken heater fan today, but don't do this if you don't know what you're doing. Electric shock may occur. It's dangerous, really. Okay, let's start. So I've connected the fan and get no action. The only thing that works is the heating element. So I can feel it's getting warm here. This I don't know what it really does, but the thermostat seems to be clicking. I don't know if you can hear it. So that seems to be working. But so we got this M4Q, if you can see it. There we have the number. So it was a G1 at the end, but I couldn't find that. But I found the 01 at the end, -01 at the end. I'm looking at it here. That seems to be pretty much the same data, 230 volts and so on. And the operating hours here for the bearing is pretty bad bearings in this one. It's not ball bearings, but it's 30,000 operating hours if you have its horizontal mounting. So anyway, here I found the Multifunction square shaded pole motors, and we got a -75 at the end, but that's the same start, M4Q045 so on, and it seems to have the same measurement. So, and I could find this at EBMPAPST here in Sweden, so I decided to try that one out, just compare it a bit more, see if it would work, since I believe it's the fan not working. Go into order one. Found it here on EBMPAPST here in Sweden, and this is the price in Swedish crowns. It's about $50, something like that. So here we are. Let's hope it fits. This is the replacement board. It's almost the same number. Okay, so we start by removing the, I don't know what you call it, grating or grid. It's 3 bolts. Here we have the bolts that's holding the electric motor. 3 of them. Gotta remove that also. First we gotta do the cable ties here. So we got the thermostat released and the cable. And now we release the motor. Perfect. Now the next step is trying to get the cable loose, and we gotta remove this top plate here. It's held by 4 bolts. So let's do that. Lagar vi eran fläkt.
Är det våran fläkt?
Ja, eller vår gemensamma då. Det här är ert förråd.
Jag tycker det är allas förråd.
Är det allas? Men ni har vissa grejer som bara är era, va? Inte? Ni har ju ett låsskåp där.
Det är vårt. Det här.
Det är skiten. Ska vi se, då har vi den där, ja. Den här. So we have connected to the fan there, this cable, and we got nothing now, but when we turn on the fan we get power. So should be turning, should be the fan. So we try to replace it. So disconnect, and then we start removing this one. I'm gonna unscrew this here. So I've removed the old one and just put the cable in for the new, putting it on the same place. This is really, it's hard, so it's definitely shut. So it's a good, it's been, yeah, you can see it doesn't turn, definitely broken. So I'm gonna remove this piece and put this on that one. So the size seems to be about the same. So we have replaced this one, so put it there, and then put the cable here, just through here, and now we're attaching the galler. Gonna put some new cable ties here to this is the thermostat. We're gonna put it here. We need to turn it around a bit so the cable comes. Sorry, we have to, yeah, it's the motor we have to change so that the motor comes here. So the cable comes. We want the cable out here. Yeah, we gotta switch the motor. Sorry. So now we put cable ties here, and the cable goes straight to the close to the motor, so it doesn't stick in the fan. So the cable is a bit long, so we're gonna shorten it, cut it here, and then we're gonna trim it like the old one. And we're gonna put some end tabs on it. So we have shortened it, and we're gonna attach it to the same. We got the earth, we got the zero, and we got the face, the blue. This is the face. So we also attached some cable ties here, and now I think it's time to test it, see if we are lucky. We put in this and we protect our so we don't get any fingers down here. And let's see if the fan goes on. Yay! We got success! Turn on the heat, and it's blowing. Nice and quiet. So the difference between this one, if we have it on fan here and the thermostat is not active, there it goes active. So when the thermostat here, it turns off the fan, but if you have it on this, it always blows constantly until you turn it off. So if you have it on this one, you save the fan perhaps a little bit. Well, we're getting some hotness here. So last step, we pull it out again and try to get this on. This should be for resetting, so it should be on the right. Yeah,